No! Holy dang, dude! Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we're going to be bashing the Typhon and the Slash, and we got a little bit of snow. I'm not really sure how well they're gonna drive because we don't have paddle tires, just regular tires. But we got the Typhon back. So after like 3-4 runs, the motor bearing went out. So we called the Horizon Hobby and they were awesome. They sent a new motor back. So we're gonna be testing it out again.
Go where I already drove. It'll go there. It should.
Oh man, should have brought my paddle tires. The tires are way too small for the snow. It doesn't even want to go. Wow. Whew. I want to see if we could hit that big jump. Looks like it's pretty clean here. So, perfect.
I messed that up, sorry.
I did a flip though.
What the? I hit reverse,
Oh
nothing
my
happened.
goodness, that was
it sounded
crazy.
like the wing broke or something.
No! Holy dang, dude! Alright guys, I think that's it for the Typhon today. We'll get it fixed up and we'll keep running it again someday. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. The car only goes if you floor it all the way. See how much snow we have. Oh dang. That's quite a bit of snow. Oh, look at that beauty.